manual swapped fan setup for prong relay, and this trigger switch will go inside the car to a manual switch. This is the aluminum stock. Bent the bottom corner one, sits at an angle. It'll mount to a hole pre-existing in the radiator and in the fan. Here's that just standard relay before the loom over there. The rest is already ran through. Over to the fan. Stainless steel hardware for the DIY fan mounts, and down bottom from the engine bay we've got the switch wires coming. There's a grommet behind the glove box and all that. You just take the back trim piece down, pop it through that OEM grommet, run it behind the trim. Both new switches installed, fan works. So thanks for tuning in.